Yo, what's up guys, today January 14, 2026, today's Wednesday. I ended up taking a trade today, so let's get over today's trade recap. So okay, coming into the day, if we jump back to 9:30, we can see here that for today we had this huge SMT at the top with all-time highs, as you can see here. Yes, trapped those all-time highs, and NQS trading still below them. So okay, having that in mind, we have a big sweep in the higher time frame, and then we ended up making this inversion on the 4 hour. So what jumps to my eyes, we have this resin liquidity in here from last week. I mean, there's no fucking way we run higher without taking those lows. I mean, stack lows in here, stack lows in here, stack lows in here, stack lows in here. A lot of flow. So okay, having that in mind, we have this 4 hour that failed to hold, and now we are jumping to the 1 hour. What we can see here, we are rejecting from this 1 hour fair value gap. So I'm expecting market open to shut down and find a continuation short to grab those lows. So that's what ended up happening. Market open right in here, and what happened, we ended up making a lower move. We ended up grabbing some lows in here, but we still keep moving lower, and we made this close to our final drawn liquidity. So I'm expecting a little retrace in some very speed array. We also have this 10 AM opening here. We made this swing in here that didn't strike any of those targets. So we have that target, the first target, which is a 4 hour failure gap, a failure swing in higher time frame, and also now this failure swing in here. So what happened here, we ended up retracing inside this 5-minute fair value gap. I know we have this 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, I know we have that fair value gap, but it's like 100 points away from it. And I mean, the draw is so clear. We are in a clear sell model. We don't need to retrade that high for take shorts. I mean, if we tap in this 5 minute, which is also this manipulation of 10 AM open, we made this opening here, we made that low, now we are making that high. If we reject that 5 minute, we are probably going to grab those lows. I mean, if we are in a clear sell model, we don't need to retrace 100 points to the upside. If the draw liquidity is that clear, we don't need that. So that's what ended up happening. We made this V-shaped recovery of that 5 minute, and we made that 1 minute inverse. I mean, if we inverse this 1 minute, there's no need to continue higher. I mean, we are rejecting clearly from that 5 minute. If this 1 minute holds, maybe we want to get higher, but if we inverse that, I mean, there's no reason to continue higher. So that's why when I short in here, stops in here, I'm in for those targets. So yeah, that's the trade I took, and we ended up getting stopped out immediately. So yeah, we ended up reaching that 15-minute fair value gap, which I mean, now we're probably going to grab those targets. It's some obvious targets, but it is what it is. We ended up getting fake out in this trade. I mean, the model didn't protect us. I mean, there's nothing we can do. We ended up taking a good trade. I mean, there's no need to wait for this retracing here if the drawn liquidity is that clear. What always happens is that we made that move, and now we V-shape, and now maybe we continue to rebound on inefficiency, but there's no reason to make this fake out in here. And it was unlucky, but it is what it is. I'm not going to complain about it. It's a good trade, and yes, that's my trade recap for today. See you tomorrow, guys.